Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just a supercar, it's the next chapter in Lamborghini's legacy of innovation. Merging a naturally aspirated V12 with a revolutionary hybrid powertrain, it delivers a staggering 1,001 horsepower. That's not just numbers, it's a visceral punch to the senses. The design is unmistakably Lambo sharp, sculpted, and aggressive, with Y-shaped headlights and floating aero panels that look like they belong on a fighter jet. It doesn't whisper performance, it shouts it unapologetically. And yet, it's all functional, engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Step inside, and the cockpit greets you with a blend of futurism and motorsport DNA. Carbon fiber is everywhere, on the dash, seats, and console, while a large floating screen and digital instrument cluster provide real-time telemetry and control. The fighter jet theme continues, with aircraft-style switches and toggles, grounding the driver in a cockpit-like experience. Every control, every line of sight, is tuned for high-speed focus and luxury immersion. But the real revolution happens beneath the skin. The Revuelto uses 3 electric motors, 2 up front and 1 integrated into the gearbox to deliver instant torque, improved handling, and all-wheel drive precision. Combined with the new carbon fiber monocoque chassis, this Lambo is lighter, stiffer, and more responsive than ever. It's capable of going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Yet it can cruise quietly in EV mode through city streets. It's an apex predator that also knows how to stalk in silence. This is Lamborghini's boldest move yet. Not just another fast car, but a redefinition of what a V12 supercar can be in the electrified age. The Revuelto isn't about compromise, it's about convergence, raw emotion fused with advanced technology. From the streets of Monaco to the curves of the Nürburgring, it announces its arrival with a sonic boom of performance and presence. This isn't evolution, it's rebellion, recharged.